Okay, so okay, I have this, and then I go in here, and then you go in here. Oh, it's already in there. It is? Okay, so that's there, okay, so now what? So I go into the thing, okay, I'm here. We're gonna open our Notepad++. I love Notepad++. And then scroll to the bottom. Okay, yeah. Did I not add this? Am I stupid? Oh, that's because I disabled everything. That's probably why. Okay, so it's not my fault. So you add this. And you put it here, and then I do this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And now we start up the game. Yeah.
Beat, hold on. Optics, you ballin', boy.